Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. So working on the September Mini Kit Monday kit this week, and I don't have a picture at the moment to put like right here of the of what Daisy had chosen. I just didn't get a picture of it. So anyway, I do know that she was thinking about doing the Again and Again collection by Pink Paisley, so I have a little bit of that, so I kind of went with that. I also consider it as an extension as the Auburn Lane from the year before, which I absolutely love. And to be honest with you, last year I played with the Auburn Lane and I put it in one of these, here I'll even show you because I'm going to put this one in there, in one of these IKEA boxes, you know, which none of us can pronounce the name unless you live in Sweden, which even if you could pronounce it, I probably won't be able to remember it, but it's okay. I am going to keep my Mini Kit Monday kit in there this time around. I have another one. I have two, which I can see having even more than two would be beneficial. The other one I am using because I'm participating for the first time. I'm going to participate in Nicole Jones' Scrapathon number 6. So I have never done that before, and I already made all of my page kits, and those are all in there because I wanted to keep those all together. So let me show you everything that I have pulled for this. I have a feeling I'm going to be able to make more than 3 pages. I'll see about if I can get a bonus page completed and uploaded. This is a good month for me for school. I'm in a class that is easier for me to be able to do extra things with. It doesn't consume all of my time. Hallelujah. So, and I have to say, I don't know where all of these papers came from. So just bear with me. And some of these are trimmed down about an inch, and I'm sure I did that for a page that I did last year. In fact, I just emptied this Auburn Lane, this little contraption by IKEA. I had my Auburn Lane in it, and that was from a year ago. And you know, I shouldn't have done that, but I did. And I looked at it, and I never did play with it because I'm a seasonal scrapper. If it happens in the fall, which I consider September the fall because I love fall so much, and even though it's 103 degrees outside today, I will still scrap fall. So the photos that I have really aren't fall pictures, but I do have some fall pictures that I may be able to use the leftover the papers with. We'll see. All right. Once again, I don't know exactly where all the papers came from. I do know it came from a paper pad, but this is kind of a pink, and it'd be a lovely background paper. I know that this one is an Auburn Lane, and I know that this one is trimmed. Looks like about 1.5 inches. About 1.5 inches. But I really think that this pulls a lot of the colors of the kit, and it is a little blinding. My camera is not wanting to focus, so let me just move on. And then this one, I think came from the same paper pad as that first pink one. You know, I'm not quite sure. All right, and then there's this beautiful pink and green, and it has some copper or maybe some rose gold. It has some metallic, you can see it, the sheen there. And this beautiful butterfly paper. I love monarchs, and the monarchs do fly by here in the fall. I love it. Okay, so then I know this one's from Auburn Lane, a beautiful background, and I may just use it as, you know, trimming, you know, just kind of the outside border. And then we have this beautiful gold with this kind of washed look to it. It's got little bitty dots on it. This one, I've had another one that's a little busy. I've had it for a long time, but I would like to go ahead and use it. I may just get that one done first. Oh my goodness, my camera is having a time with this one, but it's a tone on tone. Let me see if I pull it up closer. You can see it there. Camera likes that. And then there is this one. I had trimmed a little piece out for whatever reason, but I also have some other pages that have been, I have this is from Auburn Lane, as well as this one. Oh, and this one was even a double-sided. So those are the papers, the big sheets of paper. So I'm gonna, oops, sorry guys. I'm gonna put that in my little contraption here. And I have some other pieces of paper that I kind of pulled. I had, in with that that kit that I had just put away. But some of these, this is from Again and Again. The difference between the Again and Again and the Auburn Lane is that it has navy. That is the biggest difference that I could see. And I, even though they coordinate well together, I have to say, I think that they go really well together. But I just pulled all of the little pieces that I had, and maybe I'll make some embellishments because I'll have to show you what else I got. So this is from Auburn Lane. I don't know if I'll use any of those. This one even has the year on it. And then I pulled this one out because I do have, I don't know if it's my camera or if it's my glasses or what, but it looks kind of blurry. And then this is a green one. It says Lovely. So these are all the little pieces of paper, and I decided to put them in here, and they fit that way they don't get lost in the bottom of my contraption. Now I want to show you this. This was in, can you see how wonky that is? Yeah, that was in the bottom of the Auburn Lane contraption, and I really need to get this used up. So I'm adding it back, and I just want to get it used. And I know that Janet had talked about the vellum and using, cutting your dies and floral and stuff. So I had cut out a bunch of these, and guess where they were? Yep, they were with the Auburn Lane stuff, so it goes in there. And for the Again and Again, I do have the stickers. So I don't even know if I've even used, I have it cut open. I used 2 stickers down here and 2 stickers right here and one there. I haven't hardly used these at all. So I will put that in. I didn't want to make this like Again and Again only. I wanted to use up my scraps. That's really what I wanted to do. And let's see. But then I show you this. This is the embellishments, but got it at Tuesday Morning. It has the really dark wood veneer. It's really dark. And then these beautiful sequins. Aren't those pretty? And these clips, and they're okay. I'm not too crazy about the clips, but the other things I like. And I also pulled this out because it kind of, oh my gosh, come on guys. It doesn't like all the dots. It kind of matches that, when I had pulled that card, because, I've got a kitty cat page coming up. I know you guys are just shocked. Okay, let me show you. I did pull some ribbon. I think this is like a black satin on one side, and it's got like pink on the edges. And I want to say this came like maybe on a gift bag, because I have 2 of them. And yep, this is what I do. I pull, if I don't like the gift bag, or if I do, I just take the handles that are made out of ribbon, and then they go on my pages. Yeah, kind of funny there. I have those. I pulled this out. It says here, there, and Weekend. This is, I know that is from Auburn Lane. I have a couple of buttons that I pulled. I have a frame. I have a couple of word phrases and a 3x4 card. Now these next few things I'm going to show you was something that I created last year. I was participating in Scrappy Weekend with Scrapbook Generations, and it was my very first one that I did, and I had an absolute blast. And I did a lot of the challenges, and some of them were this was really a good challenge. So there was it's where you had to make 3 embellishments, and I think the base of it had to be square or something. And I worked pretty much exclusively with the Auburn Lane papers. So it made it super easy for me to make these. So I made these last year. And I've made little things like this before and have used them. But I'm going to see if I can get them on a page this time around. And another challenge that we had, and I know I've used the others, is to make a card holder. And so this is exactly what I made. And I thought it turned out super duper cute. I don't know. This one says start somewhere. I'm sorry guys. Wow. I don't know if it's my camera or if it's my eyes. Anyway, that's for the journaling. And then the last thing, I'm going to show you what alpha I pulled, because I don't always pull the alpha. I have this, the Love Always from Cocoa Vanilla. It's white and pink at the bottom. And then this is Memo, so it's kind of a copper color. And this one also is like a rose gold. And this one is called Happy Life. So it has the regular gold and it has like a rose gold. So that's what I pulled out. Of course, you know, with all of my kits, I reserve the right to pull anything out. I'll probably pull out some sequins because that's just what I do. And I'll just mention anything else. Now, I did mention last month that I normally do all of my pages in one weekend. And I'm not sure if that's going to happen this time around, and I will let you know if it does, because once I'm inspired to do something, I just have at it. I just go have fun and just kind of get them all recorded. It gives me a chance to get the voiceovers done. That way you guys aren't watching all of the long videos, which some of you guys do like it. I love long videos myself. I just consider it scrapping with friends, and I love hearing everyone talk, and you know, it's like being with a bunch of friends. All right guys, that is it, and I'm going to take a picture of this and put it on the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, and I have links below to the Facebook group as well of all the ladies that are in the group. And so our group consists of Becky Bidding. It has Shannon Aller, which she is She's Crafty, Kathy Feigl, Daisy Nehemiah, Dolly Boyd, and myself. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get these spread out so I can get my picture taken and get it posted, because I often forget to do that. I look forward to seeing what your kit looks like this month. If you're going to go fall, if you're going to go by the inspiration, or if you're going to go rogue and go your own way. I'm anxious to see that. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Have a great one. Bye-bye.